Who is WinnerLifting? Being a reliable business partner, not just a supplier for you, is what we are insisting over decades, years. Founded in 2007, located in Ningbo, China, with the help of our customers' great support, full confidence, mutual respect, and all great achievements made by our professional staffs, WinnerLifting is becoming a world-class manufacturer of cargo lashing industry. Ratchet Strap, Tow Strap, Slacklines, lifting slings are our strong products. The security of our products to support your business activities smoothly means everything to us. All ratchet straps are TÜV GS approved. Every order we have fulfilled some complete tests. Only test result is approved. The strict QC would release goods to customers. From R&D, designing, to manufacturing, testing, marketing, all the one-stop service to save the cost for final customers. Through the use of superior design, quality materials, and attention to detail, WinnerLifting's advanced engineering capabilities raised product performance to a new level. We worked closely with customers to solve diverse cargo handling challenges. Clearly, not only it is important to keep cargo secure in transit, it's also important to load and unload it safely and efficiently. Today, WinnerLifting's products are hard at working on land, in the air, and on the sea, serving all phases of the material handling industry. You can feel the quality of all about us only if you contact us.